Hi everyone who is watching this video. Perhaps in search of equipment for yourself, and it is possible that today your choice will fall on this column of the DFSM series weighing equipment plant. One of the features of this dispenser is the ability to send faxes to open bags and bulk materials, such as vegetables, coal and so on, with a fraction size of up to 100 and 180 millimeters. Let me tell you what it is. This dispenser consists of a base frame reinforced with a metal profile base frame, belt feeder, fully enclosed, weighing module for 2 strain gauges, pneumatic bag clamp, quick release funnels, adjustable table. I would like to pay special attention to the forming funnel, which, by its functionality, can completely replace the storage hopper. Control cabinet based on the weighing controller of the dosing production of the weighing equipment plant. This series of dispensers is assembled for filling in open bags, but this series can be converted for filling in a stocking, in a mesh stocking, in a rolled stocking. If necessary, for mobility in the warehouse, the dispenser can be equipped with a wheelbase. The weighing equipment plant produces a composite line of DFSM series dispensers, which you can find on our website. Bye everyone. See you soon.